Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to Rio Traders. It's me Sulaiman Khan. Today we are going to discuss gold step by step on the behalf of weekly, daily and the 4-hour time frame chart. And in this way, first of all we will check it out the market trend, and also we will check it out the best possible positions for the gold, that what are the possible positions for the gold for the next week. So let's start without wasting time. So you guys can see that right now I have opened a weekly time frame chart. So first of all, if you want to check it out the trend of the weekly time frame chart, if you will draw a trend line from here, you will be able to see that right now on this trend line is supporting us, that market has break that trend line from here, and market goes upside again. Market is retested last week, then after that again market is now trying to goes upside. Now this is the first possibility that is telling us that market is in a buy trend. Now if you will draw one more trend line, that is also, I can see here that there is also possibility to draw a trend line, that is that area. So that area is also mentioning us that still though market is in a buy trend whenever market comes to that area, and after that market starts break, and after the market break that upper trend line, then after that again market respects to the downside, and there are two possible positions, there are two possible trend lines that are supporting gold to move towards the upside. This is a weekly time frame chart. On the weekly time frame chart, now it's confirmed that market is in a buy trend. Now if I will try to draw, I will open a daily time frame chart, that then there I will see that what are the possible positions for the gold. So one thing I will add here. So whenever you have to draw the trend lines, or you have to draw the best area, you have to check it out the line chart. Now what is the reason of line chart? Now if you look at here, that I have right now opened a candles chart, that a candles chart gives us four values: opening, high, low and closing values. But line chart gives us the only closing value, that is only one value. So that line chart help out you guys to get out the most accurate and most powerful results. So if I will draw a line chart from here on the smaller time frame chart of daily time frame chart, then there we can see that what is the next possible positions for the gold, and what this is the right now this is the resistance for the gold for us. That this trend line on the daily time frame chart, this trend line is supporting, is creating as a resistance area for the us, and that area is approximately 1890 till 1900 is the area from where we can see that gold can fall. So if I will draw one more trend line on the 4-hour time frame chart, because 4-hour time frame chart, it would be more, give us the more accuracy. So if I will draw a 4-hour time frame chart, open a 4-hour time frame chart, there we will see one more trend line from the downside, that is also creating a support for the gold. And if I will draw here from here, if I will draw, yeah, this is the area which is also right now for a support for us for the gold. So if I will make it more little bit accurate, just hold on. Yeah, right now it's perfect. Now if I will open a candle chart to check it out, that either it's right or wrong. So now it's approximately right. So first we will make some more edits, because I have mentioned you one more thing in my previous videos, that the candle, the if trend line, your trend line should not cut through the bodies. Cutting through the wicks is all right, but if your trend line is cutting through the body, you guys can see this from here. I've started a trend line. So if it is cutting through the bodies from here there, or from here there, then that would not be a good or perfect trend line. So right now we have the one more confirmation here, that market is in a buy trend from this area 1838, or this could be the possible buying area for us, scalping buying area. So right now we have approximately three confirmation that if market will sustain here from 1838 till 1846 area. Now I will also tell you after a few minutes that why I am saying 1846 area specifically. If market will sustain here, from here market can go still approximately 1880 or 1890 area. If market will not sustain here, the next possible buying position would be 1810 area. Then if market will not be sustained here, then next possible position would be 1790 or 1780 area. So right now, if market will comes downside, you guys have to look for the buy trade. And the second possibility is that If market will not comes like that, if market breaks that area, you have to wait for the retest approximately in 36 or 38 area, then you can look for a sell trade, that would be 1810 area. So these are the right now two possible positions for the next week. But right now, due to a lot of geopolitical tensions about between China and Taiwan, between America, Russia, and Ukraine, and due to all this stuff, and due to some also COVID cases are also rising. So due to these things, there's a possibility that gold can go a little bit upside. So why I was saying to you that 1846 is the strong area for us. The reason was that if we will draw from the retracement level from this impulse, because there's an impulse. So if I will draw from 18 for Fibonacci retracement level, so you guys can see here that 1846 area, this would be the area where market is giving us approximately 38.2 retracement level. So this could be the area for us for the from Monday to Friday, that gives us that will help us to identify the best scalping buy trades. So I will just mark that area for the trades. So in this way, from 1848 46 till 1838, this could be the area for me, and where I will try to look at the scalping buy trades. So that's it for today. I hope so that I have tried to make the things little bit in a shorter time frame, that on the behalf of weekly time frame chart, 4 hour time frame chart, daily time frame chart, I have tried to find out the best possible buying areas for us, that what are the best possible buying areas for us. And one more good news is for you guys, that right now from nowadays, from we will make a video on the behalf of daily time frame, on the behalf of daily, or maybe 2 or 3 videos in a week. So you guys must have to tell us that on which pair you want a video. Either it would be the currency pair, either it would be the cryptos, stocks, or anything else. We will try to make a video on the behalf of technically and fundamental analysis. So thank you guys. If you guys have any question, you guys can DM us, direct message us, or you guys can ask in a comment box. So stay blessed, and kindly share it, subscribe it, and kindly like it. Thank you very much, guys. Stay blessed.